Hey guys, welcome back. So let's make it as a responsive like checkout page, right? So first of all, I open it in the inspect element and I'm gonna select my 768 pixel size, right? First of all, we need to add the neighbor. So yeah, I have a checkout page. So I need to go on in the index.html page and I'm gonna get the neighbor code, and then I'm gonna go to top and select the neighbor and I'm gonna paste it. First I'm gonna save it and let's see. Yeah, the neighbor is up here. Great. And yeah, so I think I need to add it in the navigable tag because this is also another page. Hit a product. No, this is a similar page, so I don't need to add it. Yeah, the next thing you need to set up it. So I need to go down and I'm going to copy checkout summary page, find out inside there. Leave this one and I'm going to make it in the right side. So in the summary page, I use the display property flags. Okay. So I go to down and I'm going to copy this one, paste it, and just like I just use comment in there. Right, so I need to select my checkout summary ID, not this one. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. So I'm gonna use display grid, not this one, in a minute. Okay, I will use the, okay, I will change it as a grid, or I will use the display flags and just like flags direction is column. So I'm gonna save it and yeah, it's perfect. But I will select the checkout page. I'm gonna add it with 100%, and yeah, so we need to save and get. This is a complete width. And also we need to set up this one to add the width complete. So where it is, checkboxes. So I'm gonna get it from my, this is checkout page, the checkout summary. Where it is, in a minute I'm gonna find out. Box card body content, not this one. Card wrapper. Okay, here's the summary. Okay, I need to get this one summary and I'm gonna use with 100%. So I'm gonna save it and no, it doesn't work. So I'm gonna select the card wrapper. Yeah, it's working right now, guys. So this is our simple checkout page, and last thing I'm gonna set up my, in a minute, card details in a minute. In a minute I will find out the card details. Okay, here's the card details. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste on there. So inside there, display none. First of all, I'm gonna remove it and let's see with another pages. And by the way, I will add it inside there as well, but this time I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so right, so I will move it in the right side and indicate the few things inside there. So I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna paste it, and then I'm gonna use position as absolute. It will move top to 200 and right it will move on the 10 pixel. Save and look at that. Right, so this is a 768 pixel size of this one card. When user will click on that, then it will display. And also you can move it in the top as well, like 250, and I will use 100 as well, so it should be displayed in the top. 120, yeah, it's good, right? So the default, I will hide it. So display none. So say close it, close, right? So we have successfully designed the responsiveness in the 768 pixel, right? But let's move on the 425 pixel and less than 375 pixel. So these are mobile sizes, so we will work on that to design it as responsiveness in the small screen size. So I'm going to select my mobile.css file. First of all, I will use the min width 375 pixel and max width 425 pixel. So in a minute I will use, first of all I will open the home page because I will work on the home page. So I'm going to select my for this one size, right? So this is the mobile size, so we're going to work on this one size to make it as responsive, and also it will also work on the 375 pixel. Okay, so I go to there. First of all I will use the HTML, and font size is 60% on the size, yeah, great. Then the next thing I'm gonna use it in a minute. I'm gonna open the style, not this one. I will open the table size. Okay, I will move it in the right side, and this will be the left side. Okay, so I need to get the header, and by the way I will also get the comment as well. And inside that I'm gonna change the image, so the image is coming from the same thing, same location, but I will use it mobile and image header. So this is in the small screen size, right? So the image has been changed, right? Great. Then the next thing I need to set up my showcase content. I like this one, so showcase content, so I will also open that. So where it is, showcase content, text content, and h2. So I'm going to copy this one, the text content, and inside it I have a h2, right? So I'm going to use font sizes for them. So I'm going to save it, and look at that, guys. Great. Then I need to, in a minute I'm going to check it. Yeah, it's perfect. And good. So let's see the product. Okay, here's a cool thing is products. Okay, so first of all I also open the CSS main file. Okay, and I'm gonna find out the products. In the products I'm gonna get it, and I just use the for them, right, to decrease the space. Then I need to select my product cards like this one, and I need to change it as a flex direction is column, to move it is a column wise. Great. And also I'm gonna decrease the gap is 3 rand. Then I need to select my card images. Where is the image? Like this one, so I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna paste on there, and I'm gonna use the width 70% and remove other stuff, and decrease this one size at 30%. So we need to save, and yeah, great. After that I need to select the cards, only cards, like this one, right? So in the cards I need to use what? I'm going to use margin bottom, 6 is best. Then I need to select the card body and card footer, so I'm going to get it, and I'm going to use comma. I will use the same styling on this one and also this one. So styling is, I just use transform property, negative 90 pixel. Yeah, it's perfect, right? Yeah, great. Then we will move on the ZX page, ZX section. In the ZX section we need to change the image, so also I need to open this one file, right? So in the ZX image, so I'm gonna get it and paste it, and I'm gonna change the image as a mobile size, mobile, and image is bigger, ZX9. So I'm gonna save it, and look at that, this is the ZX9 image, guys. And also we need to change the what in a minute, this one, headings, to decrease the size 4M. I'll leave this one, so, and yeah, great. After that we need to move on the paragraph tag. So in the paragraph tag, in a minute I will assign the text content, I'm gonna use weight 100%, so I'm gonna save it. Yeah, great. Just in a minute, guys, in a minute, just a minute, sorry. Okay, so let's see, this one is good, and yeah, perfect. So our MPG, yeah, great thing is, okay, move on the ZX7 page, so I'm gonna get it, and this is the ZX7 page, guys. So inside the ZX7 page I need to get this one image, paste on there, and I'm going to change the images, mobile size, mobile, image ZX7 is bigger. So I'm going to save it, and look at that, guys, you just change the images. Alright, so let's move on the F1. In the F1 I'm going to get this one code and paste on there, just change the image is mobile and image F1. So I'm gonna save it, and okay, something is wrong on there. In a minute. F1. Okay, so I need to divide the columns. Let it be one F1. So we need to save it, and yeah, great thing about it. This right side, so I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna use padding top and bottom 4M, left and right 0 to make a space. Yeah, great. So let's move on in the user demo. In the user demo I need to get the, in a minute, like this one, user demo, I need to get this one image. So I'm going to include the mobile image paste. Yeah, so save, and this is a mobile size image, guys, right? Yeah, and also I'm going to change the font size of the h2 tag. So like this one, I'm gonna get it, paste on there, and I'm gonna use 3.59. Remove this one, content, and yeah, great, perfect. So yeah, it's completely responsive in the small screen sizes, like 425 pixel, and also it is also responsive in this 375 pixel right now, as you can see, right? When you will click on the 768 pixel, you will get the different result, right? So in the next video we're gonna move on the headphones and other pages. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back. So let's work on the headphone page. So I'm gonna open it in the 425 pixel. So inside this one position, I will change it as everything is there, but we will change the images and we will decrease the space inside there, right? So let's see, this is the photo, and where is the headphone page? I'm gonna get this one comment, I'm gonna paste on there, and in the header there is a 50 VH, so I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna decrease the VH is 40. I don't need to just use that, just use 40 VH to decrease the width, right? Great. Then text content, header 40 VH, text content. Okay, I need to get this one, and I'm gonna paste on there, and I'm gonna change it 10 VH. So remove this one. Yeah, great. Don't worry, we will change it, and I'm gonna select my headphones, this one, but just a minute, and I'm gonna use it, and 20 VH. Yeah, great. So headphone product page, so select the headphone product page. So in the headphones, I'm going to use padding. Let's try to use the margin 0. Yeah, great. And I'm going to select the headphones, and I'm going to use margin top is 2 to decrease the size. Yeah, great. And then we will change the images, like first one and second one. So I need to open this one, headphone, and one by one I will change the images. This is Mark 2, this is right side, left side. Yeah, so I'll get this one complete code, and I'm going to paste on there, and I'm going to change the image as a mobile slash image category, like this one. So I'm going to save it, and let's see. Yeah, the image has been changed. So let's see the next one image, like this one. So I need to get it, I paste on there, and then I'm going to change the next one image, like tablet to mobile. This one, save, and yeah, the second image has been changed. We will change the third one image as well. So I need to get it, paste on there, just use mobile. Okay, so we need to save, and the third image has been changed right now, guys. So this is completely responsive in the small screen size. So let's move on the speaker pages. In the speaker pages, I need to open the same thing, and we will change the same tactics that I've used on the headphone page. So let's see the speaker page. I'm going to get the comment and I'm going to paste the comment on there. Step number 1, you need to select the only speaker like this one, and I'm going to decrease the size, margin top to rem to decrease the space. Okay, then the next thing, you need to select the images like this one and this one. So I'm going to get both of the code and I'm going to paste on there. Just change tablet to mobile, and this is it. First we need to save it, and let's see. Yeah, the first one has been changed, and also we need to change the second one. So we need to save also it. Yeah, great. And yeah, the last and final one is F1 page, right? So I need to move on the inspect element. So in the F1 page, I need to copy that, paste on there. Same thing, you need to add it, and I'm going to use margin top to rem. This one save, and yeah, great. Then you need to change the image is a mobile size. So I'm gonna save it and let's see. Yeah, great. So guys, we have successfully designed our internal, not external pages, main pages in the mobile size like headphone, speaker, F1. But we will work on the internal pages on later, like Mark X2 in a minute in the mobile screen size. So we will start it from this one section, right? So in the 768 pixel it's great, but in the 425 pixel we will work on that, right? So this will not complete responsive, but we will work on that on later. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Alright, so let's work on the internal pages to make it as responsive in the small screen size. So I'm going to open it in the inspect element. So right now this is size 425 pixel. So I go to my code editor, and right now I'm going to find out the product details page like this one. So first of all, I'm going to get this one comment, headphone product section, paste on there. Step number 1, you need to get this one because you need to divide the column, so I need to use only one FR, and I'm going to change the 5 RAM in the small screen size. And yeah, so we need to save, and it doesn't work right now. I don't know why. Okay, in a minute. This is in a minute. Speaker, this is a pages, main pages, guys. So we need to move on there, right there. So select the product details, select this one page, right? So this is product detail page. So I'm gonna copy paste the comment, and I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna paste on there, and just use one FR. Means I need to display only one column in the small screen size, and also I'm going to decrease the size of the gap. Yeah, great. Then I need to select the product in a minute. I'm going to select the product details ID, and I'm going to use margin top and bottom 2 RAM, left and right 0. To decrease the space in the small screen size, and just a minute, I'm going to check. Okay, I will go there and I'm going to find out product description. In a minute I'm going to find out product content. Not Dell's product content. Right, like this one. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna paste on there. And then have a product description. So in a minute I'm gonna check it. This is product description. So inside that I'm gonna use the gap is for him. So I'm gonna save it and yeah, great. And then I need to move on the right side. Product content. Yeah, great. So I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna paste on there, and I'm gonna use it. Flex direction is column. Align item baseline. So I'm gonna save it and look at that. This one content, right? So let's move on the images. Product images, like this one. So I'm gonna get this product images and I'm gonna use the size 377 pixel and the small and the height of the 378 pixel. So I'm gonna save it and look at that. Right now I can't see the third one image inside there, right? So get it and I'm gonna use it as a display flex. Display flex. Flex direction is column. Right, so I'm gonna save it and let's see. Yeah, the three images they appear and yeah, great. So yeah, okay, let's move on the you may also like section, copy, and I'm gonna paste on there. So inside this one, you may also like a web. Okay, get it, paste on there, and I'm gonna use flex direction is column. I'm gonna save it and look at that. The content is up here is column wise, and then I need to select the images, but I need to go on there and I'm gonna find out product images you may also like, and boxes. Okay, get it. It's with 100%. So I'm gonna save it and look at that. Right, get. So let's see the product details in the left side and right side images. So just a minute, I'm gonna check it. Product details. Box images. And then I need to move on down and just a minute guys. Last thing, I'm gonna change the image like this one, right? So where this one image is, I open the Mark X2 page, and then I'm gonna find out like this one, left side box, left side. Now this is the main card, but I think here, so I'm gonna copy it and open the table size, right, like this one. So I'm gonna get the Mark X2 and I'm gonna paste on the, and we'll change the image as a mobile, and the image is image product, like this one. So I'm gonna save it and let's see. Yeah, the image has been changed. Yeah, everything is great on there. So in the next section we will work on the same thing. I'm gonna open the headphone and mark one, like this one. Open the inspect element. So I will use same tactics that is used on there. So I'm gonna copy this one, mark, paste on there, and just change. First I'm gonna check it. Everything is great. Everything. We just change the images, right? So I go to code editor and I'm going to change the images mobile, image product. So we need to save, and yeah, great. So the second page has been completed in the small screen size. So let's move on the third one. So I open the inspect element and I need to get this one code, and I'm going to paste on there and just use the mobile and the image product view. Save, and look at that, great. So we have successfully designed. So let's see with other things. Yeah, great. So let's move on the speaker page. In the speaker page we will use same tactics. So inspect element, and we need to change the image. Right now this content is up here in the center. Yeah, so you can fix that. So this is your task. So I'm going to change the image in the ZX9 and the mobile size and the ZX product view. Save, and look at that, right? And also we need to change the ZX, this one page, in the mobile screen size. So I'm going to use mobile product view. I'm going to save, and yeah. So the last, yeah, our last and final one is iPhone page. So I need to go on the iPhone page, like there, inspect element, and we need to change this one image as a mobile size. Product view, save, and yeah, great. Okay guys, so this is our complete sections. So let's move on the last and final sections, like checkout page and other pages. So yeah, so I'm gonna open the, in just a minute, I'm gonna open the checkout page, like where it is here. So I'm gonna restart my code editor to open it, and I'm gonna manage it in the responsiveness. Okay, so I'm gonna close this one and right click it and open the inspect element. So we will fix these issues. So yeah, I go to my code editor and step number 1, and you need to, in a minute. Alright, so I need to find out the, first I'm going to check it, card details, and check out. Okay, so step number 1, you need to get that. First of all, I will get the comment. Comment is important to understand the codes, right? So step number 1, you need to get this one code, and you need to use the column repeat is 1, and first I'm gonna save it, and look at that. Yeah, great. Then you need to get the card details. In a minute. .txt. Right, good. In the small skin side, I don't need to display the terms and conditions, and yeah, it's perfect, right? So yeah, we will see the last and final sections. I'm gonna check this model header. Okay, in a minute I'm gonna open the table size, move on there, and I'm gonna check the last card details. So first I'm gonna use display none, save, and open it in the inspect element. Just a minute. Inside there you can't see the checkout page, but I'm gonna open it. Okay, it is up here. Okay, so we will fix this one in the small skin size. So yeah, so I'm gonna get card details, and just a minute. The position is perfect, but I will decrease the width, right? So cut it with 400, so I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna use 400, and then I will just a minute. Then what? I need to select the card body in a minute because I will decrease the font size. Card type, card content, card body, and inside that I have a right side. So card body content, is better, right? So I'm going to select the right side, and in the right side have that btn. So in the btn I will use outline as none, border is none, and I'm going to use padding top and bottom 0.9 rem, left and right 1 rem, text transform uppercase, and I'm going to use font family is inherit, margin top and bottom 2 rem, left and right 0, and letter spacing I will use 2 pixel, cursor is pointer. So I'm going to save it and look at that, right? So yeah, it is completely responsive, guys. So I have designed each page in different devices. You can also use the 374 pixel. So inside that you need to decrease the size as well, but I'll try to use the margin 0 and auto to display it in the center. No, okay, I'll use it. Just a minute. I'll use this one. No, this is a card box. Where is card box? Paper. 350. 350 is best. So let's see. No, 400 is best, but we will fix this one issue in the particular size. All right, but in this size is best. Okay, 400. Yeah, it's great. But if you want to add the particular properties or designing in the particular size like this one, so you can increase the media query on there, like media max width 3, and just a minute, I'm gonna check it. 375 pixel. Then I will use this one called wrapper, paste on there, just change it 380. So I'm gonna save it and let's see in this size, right? But I will also increase that or decrease that. So yeah, great. And also you can decrease the fonts buttons. I just design it for top and bottom, left and right, as you can see, guys. So guys, I'm gonna hide it over the checkout page. So I'm gonna hide it and then I will work on the JavaScript on later. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the last video of the complete course. In this video we will work on the JavaScript to add and hide the menus and display the model and so on and so forth. So let's work on that. So I go to my JS file. First of all, I will use alert to check it's working or not. So I'm gonna save it, and yeah, the alert is working. And now let's get the data from the HTML document. So I'm going to use const, and also I'm going to open the index.html file first of all. Right, so you need to work on the navbars to display and hide the navbar. So navbar element, you need to create a variable. You need to get the value from navbar class and assign it inside the variable. The next thing you need to get it menu element, means user will click on the menus. In a minute I will open it, this one page, and then inspect element. Right, so I also open the 768 pixel. When user will click on that, then I want to display the menus, otherwise hide the menus. Right, so you need to get the menu class and assign it inside the variable. The last thing I'm going to get it body element. In the body element, I will work on the body element on later. First of all, we will work on this one. So let's see, I use menu element add a once now, click event, and I'm going to execute the code. First I need to check it's working or not. So I'm going to open the console, click on that. Yeah, it's working. Once user will click on that, then I need to select the neighbor element class list that add which class you will add active. So I'm gonna save it and click on that. Right now the menus are up here, but the problem is when user will click on second time, I want to hide it. So what I need to do on there, I'm gonna use the toggle on there. Means once user click on that, then the particular class has been added, otherwise this class will remove. So let's see, click on that, click on second time. Yeah, great. So we have successfully designed our first section. So it is working on another pages as well. So let's see, I open the headphone, click on that, speaker, click on that, headphone, click on that, and it's great. right? So let's move on. So I'm gonna display the cart and hide the cart, right? Const cart element. Select that. I'm gonna select the cart. What is the cart, guys? This is the cart, right? When user will click on that to display and hide it, then I select the cart. Let's go tells element, document that query selector. I'm gonna get the cart details. I think also I need to add the classes cart. First I need to check that in the pages. So I'm gonna select the cart. First I'm gonna find it. Yeah, the cart is class, and also I'm gonna get the cart details. So yeah, cart details, great. So once you get that and assign the data inside the variables, then we will use the variables. So let's see. I will use cart element dot add listener, click event, and when the event is execute, then I will use same tactics, right? What is the tactics? The tactics is you can use cart details dot class list dot toggle, and I'm gonna use the toggle class. First I need to check this one class is added or not inside there. No, so I need to find out the in a minute menu element, not the neighbor. I need to select the cart details, guys. Okay, yeah, here's the cart detail. So the cart details, I find out on their cart details, and the default is none, but cart details dot toggle I'll use display block. So let's see, click on that, yeah, click on that, click on that, click on that. Yeah, it's working, guys. Yeah, perfect. Click on that. Good. So let's see the model, right? So in the model, I need to get the btn model document query selector, and first of all I need to check the model. Where I have used the model. Okay, I think something inside there, right? Yeah. So first of all you need to get this one model, copy, and I need to paste on there. The next thing you need to get it const model wrapper element query selector, and you need to select the model wrapper class that have a complete model like this one. This is a complete model, right? So you need to get it and you need to paste on there. So what you need to do on there, when user will click on the button, which button? In a minute. Okay, I'm able to see the button is up here, but the button color is in a minute. Right now I can't see the button inside there, right? We will fix it on later. Okay, when I click on this one, so here's the continue button. When user will click on this one button, then I want to enable my model, otherwise leave the model, right? So this is a checkout page and this is a continue button. So this is a checkout page, and I'm gonna find out the continue like this one, right? So the ID is model btn. So what I need to do on there, I'm going to select my model. I need to use class list, not add event listener, click event, and once the event is executed, then you need to select model wrapper dot style, right? Dot style dot display. You need to use block, right? And first I need to save, and let's see, click on that. I can't see them. Oh yeah, I'm able to see the model is up here inside the screen. Good. So yeah, I will select the body as well because I want to add the overlay effect. So I'm going to select the const body element document.query select him, and I'm going to select the body. Reason for selecting the body, I have styled it. In a minute I will select the body top, and in a minute I will show you the body. Okay, so I have used the body dot model and column before, so I will add and hide the class when user will click on the continue button. So I'm going to select it, the body, and when the model is active, right? This is not model, this is the model display block. So I'm gonna use the body element dot class list dot add model. So I'm gonna save it, and so let's try it. Click on that. Right now the model is up here in the center of the page. Yeah, and I don't know it is center or not, but I will move it on later. I can do that. So let's work on the final one, is back to home. When I will click on that, then I will hide this one model and display the normal page. So where is the model? Like a model back to home. So I need to get the ID back to home. So yeah, get it, and I'm going to use back to home element, and I'm going to copy it, use the same tactics. That elements now, click event, and then I'm going to use the class will be removed like this one. I get it, I'm going to paste it, and I need to use display block to none, and I need to remove the class. So we need to save it, and let's try it. Click on that. Okay, I can't see. Okay, I think something is wrong. Null property in the, okay, the reason for using it ID, this is a problem, right? Good. Click to back to home. Right now this is the complete page. So this is a completely responsive website, guys. If you face any problem inside the complete course, you can contact me, I will help you. And also